Hey team, here's a quick tip on sizing images in Canva to keep everything nice and neat. As you see, I'm looking at this background image and I have it clicked on so you can see the dotted lines and the circles. So that's the border. If I click off and click back on, you see it extends past the square that we're working with. So here's just a quick tip. When you make the image smaller than the white box that it's inside, okay, you can then click the crop button and use your eyeballs to make the best judgment of a square. And click the check mark. When you do that, then you can put the background image in the top left corner, and then you can drag it down. It will most likely be closer to a square. Now I didn't do it perfectly, so you see this one is a little longer than the white box, so I can take it back inside the white box. I can click crop again. I know it was a little too long, so I can just go up a little bit. Click the check mark again. Drag it down into the white. Still a little bit too long. Crop it. Bring it up a little. And now we have a much cleaner square for the background image. It's okay if it goes a little bit over, that's fine, but that's just a best practice for keeping Canva nice and clean. Good luck!